Welcome to our channel where we convey the developments in the world. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Putin approves the new foreign policy of the Russian world. President Vladimir Putin approved on Monday a new foreign policy doctrine based on the concept of the Russian world, an idea that conservatives have used to justify intervening abroad in support of Russian speakers. The Russian president approved the 31-page humanitarian policy which aims to protect, safeguard, and promote the traditions and ideals of the Russian world. The objectives outlined in the document include strengthening ties with the war-torn separatist entities of eastern Ukraine, the self-proclaimed Donetsk People's Republic and the Luhansk People's Republic, promote closer ties with Abkhazia and Ossetia, two Georgian breakaway regions whose independence is recognized by Moscow, and develop a closer relationship with the Slavic countries, China and India, as well as with the countries of Africa, the Middle East and Latin America. Putin has been stressing for years what he sees as the tragic fate of some 25 million ethnic Russians living outside Russia in newly independent states when the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, an event he called a geopolitical catastrophe. Moscow has also continued to view the former satellite regions of the Soviet Union, from the Baltic states to Central Asia, as part of its legitimate sphere of influence, an idea that has been strongly opposed by many of those countries, as well as by the West. The new document states that Russia's ties with its countrymen abroad have made it possible to strengthen its image as a democratic country that aspires to create a multipolar world on the international stage.